Ugh, Ginny, I love the spa because no one can see you farting. Oh, Snuffles, you call that a fart? Oh, Snuffles, where's our son, Fluff? You're a good man, Snuffles. Ugh, Ginny, you stink.